It's what exactly mean? Python package. Let me tell you, all are implemented with Python only. Almost all are Python package, not almost, all are Python packages. Pandas Python package, NumPy Python package, Scikit-learn Python package, TensorFlow Python package. Everything is Python. Everything is Python actually. Though it is kind of some Python package, if you open that NumPy, you can see functions, classes, attributes, methods. These are all things you can see actually. That's the fundamental. Am I right or not, sir? Okay, good. Hey, Daniel, what is the main purpose? What is the main purpose actually? The main purpose will be, okay, hold on. What is the full form? Can you tell me the full form? Full form ఏంటో చెప్తారా? The full form is a numerical Python. చెప్పండి సార్జీ, numerical Python. Numerical Python. I can make it something like this is uppercase letter, and I can make it these two are uppercase letter. Now you will get a clarity. Okay, make a note on this. Now the next one. What is the main purpose, Daniel? By using NumPy, you can do, so numerical computation. By using NumPy, by using this, we can do what? Numerical computation. Numerical computation. How we can do? How we can do it actually? So simple, by using data structure, by using array. Then what is array? Array is a data structure. Array is what, Sarji? Data structure. So straight to the point. Repeating again, it's a Python package. What is the full form? Numerical Python. What is the main purpose for NumPy? By using this one, we can do numerical computation. Repeating again, what it is? Numerical. Are you talking about the NumPy? Only numbers, no categorical data. This point is important. How we can do? By using array. What is array? Array is a data structure. Array is what, Sarji? Good. So I hope I already explained yesterday. We can create array by using array function. Array data structure by using array function. What function, man? Array function. Go back. Did you remember? We can create a list. We can create list to data structure
by using list.
By using list function. Same story. We can create a tuple data structure by using same thing like that. So if you remember the previous, let me tell you, always previous sessions, it will be helpful to understand the current topic. ఇంతకు ముందు టాపిక్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు ఈ రోజు టాపిక్ అర్థం అవడానికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ గుడ్ ఇన్ దట్. రైట్, కెన్ ఐ టెల్ యూ A equals to list? You can pass here kind of some list actually. I mean to say, Daniel, R equals to what exactly, sir? Range of some 10 comma 21 you can give, and here I can pass R. Same thing like that. In here I can pass what exactly? No, B of tuple. And even here I can pass C equals to set of what exactly mean R. Same thing like that. D equals to np dot array. And here you can pass list. It's okay. R also can pass. That is still very good. Now list is a function, tuple is a function, set is a function, array also a function. But where it is coming from? Where it is coming from? Num. That's the beauty. One important point will be LHS side, what are all things are available, those are all called as an object. Those are all called as an what, sir? Objects actually. So please make a note on this. Okay, yeah. Even either you remembered or not, if you want I can talk with you. Hold on. Yeah, data structures creation. Data structures creation actually. Data structures. Let me write in one window, in a one simple snapshot. You will get an idea. Okay, for the timing, R equals to range I can use, and 10 comma 21. That's still okay. And A equals to list 10 20 30 40. And even I would like to use A equals to list of R. List of what exactly mean R. So let me use only functions. Let me use only what exactly function. You will get an idea. Can you help me the next one? B equals to tuple of R. Daniel, what you are trying to explain? Please be hold on. Just stand and see actually. Set of what exactly? Yeah, good. Now S equals to what exactly? No, sir. PD dot series. Hold on. PD dot what exactly? Series. If you want still, you can pass as a R. Repeating again, man. These are all functions. These are all what exactly? Functions actually. NP dot numpy of, can somebody help me? R. Repeating again, what is the set? Function. What is a tuple? Function. What is a list? Tuple. What is a list actually? Function. What is a numpy? Function. What is a series? Class. Let me tell you what it is. Class actually. How can you say it is a class? Started with capital letter. Good. Let me tell you. Right hand side, whatever it is, doesn't matter. But left hand side, everything is nothing but an object. ఎడమ వైపున ఉన్నవన్నీ కూడా ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. Though it is object, you can access attributes and you can access methods. You can access what man? Methods actually. Yeah, let me just try to tell you. df equals to pd dot data frame, and here you can pass what exactly are. Right now, look at my screen. Yeah, Daniel, LHS equals to RHS. This point is important. All LHS side, I mean to say LHS side, all are objects, man. All are what exactly? Objects. Objects actually. R is nothing but an object. B is nothing but an object. D is nothing but an object. DF is nothing but an object. A function is returning object. Repeating again. A function is returning what, man? Object actually. Yeah, good. Make a note on this one. List is a function. Backend it is having the return keyword. What keyword, Anna? Return keyword. This is not a function call. What did exactly chaptara? Object creation. Chapter sir? Object creation. Object creation. These are all functions having the return. These are all functions having the return. Return statement is returning object actually. But here, direct straight to the point, object creation. Straight to the point, what mean? Object. Now, object creations are two types. Object in రెండు రకాలుగా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. One, this is the straight way. Next one, you can call function. Function can return object. You can call function. Function can return what, Saji? That's what it is happening here. Okay. I believe you understand. Daniel, why you explain this or all? Why I explain, Sachi? Good. Series having attributes. Chapter Sachi, having attributes, and next one will be methods. Same thing like that. Chapter data frame. Having attributes, and next one is what? Methods. Kind info. If still have any questions, I'm happy to help you. Data frame having what, sir? It is having attributes and what exactly? Methods. Okay. Sir, array also. Yeah, good. So array is a predefined class in NumPy. It is having attributes. It is having what exactly, man? Attributes, and it is even having. That's what you need to be understand. After Python, all are advanced classes. Pandas having the classes, series and data frame, advanced class. And array is a class actually. Data frame is a class. These are all classes having, along with the method, it is having attributes also. It is having what, man? Attributes also. Can I tell you one more small point? Yeah, list is a class. Can you tell me? List is a class. List having what exactly? Methods. We discussed only methods. Tuple is a class. Tuple having what, Sarji? Methods. And set is a class. Set having what exactly? Methods. Very good. Hey, come on. Dictionary is a class. Dictionary having what exactly? Methods actually. But when it comes to series, data frame, array, man, special classes actually, right? It is having extra one more activity. What it is? Attributes. Before method it is having, but before method, discuss about attribute. Good. Let me talk. Today topic will be NumPy attributes, I guess. Yeah. Why this topic came? NumPy attribute. This is the story. Okay. Can I divide like this? Daniel, you can do that. Okay. Next one. NumPy is NumPy is a package. Array is a class. Array is a what, such a class? Array is a class. This class contains attributes and methods. Anyway, methods is next discussion. I don't want to talk about now actually. What is the main purpose for attribute? Did you remember? Attributes returns information. Otherwise, attributes giving information, right? Attributes giving information about, so object actually. Object. What object? Array object. What object actually? Array object. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. That's what you can move on. Now let's move on actually. Oh, important. Daniel, how to access? Who can access attribute? Chaptara? Who can access attribute by using? Very good. By using what, Sachi? By using object name. No parenthesis. Remember this? No parenthesis. That's it, sir. Then I can take the help of document. I can move on. Sir, great question. Great question. In Python, these are all classes actually. Class names. Class names. In Python, class names. List is a class name. Tuple is a class name. And even set is a class name. And dictionary is a class name. In Pandas, the class name. Chuptara? Series, the next one. Series, the next one, data frame. But let me tell you, in NumPy, unfortunately, they followed with the Python notation actually. This one is a class. Can you please prove it practically actually? Yes, you can create array object and you can check the type actually. You will get ND array. ND array as a class actually. ND array. Do you want to show that? It should be done anyway. But anyway, let me just try to explain. Import NumPy as NP A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40 and B equals to NP dot array of A. Now let me just try to check type of P. Type of what exactly P? Now, yeah. Look at the class name. Look at what Sajid class. Class name వైపు చూడండి. Yeah. Can you read this one? Class. What is the class name? ND array. ND array. ND in the sense, N means number, either 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 0 dimension. D means dimension, right? N means number, D means dimension. ND array, the class name. If you want, you can cross verify. In prove chestan chudu. Very nice question you asked actually. In Python also, if you want, you can check the type of what exactly. This is the beauty. You need to check like this actually. Yeah. List is a class, and here what is the class name? ND array. ND array actually. So ND array people may not understand. That's what I'm telling directly. Array actually. Otherwise, I can still make it ND array. Good. Daniel, create a series class. Now let us cross verify. Import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. Now can I create C equals to PD dot series of Y list actually you can directly provide as a C. Type of C. Type of what exactly means C. Now please look at my screen. Then you will get a clarity. Series capital letter. Only team are you able to see? Kanipistunda meeku? Yeah, series is a capital letter. But here list is a lowercase and ND is a lowercase actually. Same thing like that. Can you tell me? Data frame also we can create. Like that you already know searching. Data frame. Data frame. Can you tell me? Chappan sir. Print of type of DF. Everything, if you know how to prove practically, awesome. Yeah, good. First of all, these are all classes. List, ND array, series, data frame. Trust me, in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, in 2030 new library is coming. Definitely they should use class. Definitely they should use what, man? That is really beauty about the class. Okay? You understand, sir? This is it's like a proving. Everything is a class. It's like a proof. Everything is a class. Proof for what? Everything is class. Then we are creating an object. Though class actually backend, we are creating an object. Back to the session. Now I need to continue about the discussion about attributes discussion. What is the discussion, sir? Attributes actually. Can I continue? Yeah, I can continue. Very simple. NumPy array having the predefined attributes. NumPy ND array. NumPy array having the predefined attributes. Hold on. To help to understand the essential functionality. The first one is called as a shape. First one is what? Man, somewhere we have seen data frame. Shape is an attribute where we have seen data frame actually. Am I right? Here also same. attribute name is the same, the functionality also same. Conclusion of the story, pandas borrowed same functionality from numpy array actually. We thought like pandas came first. No. When you install pandas backend, what exactly sir? Numpy. Please make it out. మీకు మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. Can I draw one diagram? నేను ఒక diagram draw చేయమంటారా? You can draw, Daniel. Let me tell you, think like okay. Think like this one is the first one is a Python we have installed. What you install, Sarji? మీరు Python install చేశారు. In your laptop you have installed the first one as a Python. On top of Python you install pandas. You install what exactly mean? Pandas actually. You thought like first one is a Python, next one is a pandas. Can you tell me in between?